The small drone market is set to grow from $5.19 billion in 2023 to over $23 billion by 2033. The small drone market is expanding rapidly, influencing various industries and transforming operations worldwide. The rising use of small drones in the military is a key factor in this growth, supported by advanced technologies like LiDAR. Rotary wing drones dominate the market significantly, holding over 53% of the global small drone share in 2023. Military investment in drone technology is on the rise, further boosting global demand for advanced small drones. The United States and China are leading in small drone investments, shaping the future of this market. Micro drones, weighing just 250 g to 2 kg, are expected to capture 65% of the revenue in 2023 due to their cost-effectiveness. In healthcare, small drones promise to deliver medicines and vaccines efficiently, ensuring faster, safer deliveries for patients. The small drone market is expanding rapidly. Stay ahead of the trends as this technology transforms industries worldwide.